Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can remove suggestions from YouTube search bar. So if here you can see these are the recent researched, and here are these keywords that I have typed. So if you want to remove any of these, simply you can go here and click on cross button. So this is one method, and individually you can remove all of these keywords one by one. So now if you want to remove all of these suggestions at once, how you can do that? You need to go here accounts.google.com, then press enter, and here you can go in data and privacy. After that, scroll down, and here you can see YouTube history. Just you can click here, then scroll down, and you can click on manage history, then scroll down, and here you can see these are recent searches. So now if you want to remove them, so if you want to remove them separately, then you can choose this one, and if you want to remove all of these at once, then you can choose this one, delete all the time. So these are the methods to delete YouTube history in your Chrome browser.